Here's how I make the perfect outdoor bug repellent. No more annoying bites. This roll-on recipe is an all-natural blend that helps deter insects so you can enjoy nature without the buzz. So let's make this easy, toxin-free solution together. Hey friends, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and today we're making a must-have DIY for every outdoor adventure. The Forest Guardian Roll-On. This roll-on is packed with pure essential oils that naturally help keep bugs at bay, all while smelling earthy and refreshing. So forget those chemical-filled sprays. This is clean, simple, and so easy to make. At Simply Earth, we are all about making natural living simple and fun. So with the Simply Earth recipe box, you get everything you need to create safe, toxin-free products at home. Plus, new subscribers get our free big bonus box full of extra supplies to kickstart your DIY journey. You can grab all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Most bug repellents are loaded with harsh chemicals and synthetic fragrances that can affect your skin and health. Yuck! But by making your own, you get a gentle, natural alternative without the toxins. Effective, safe, and made with ingredients that you can trust. So grab your box and clear your mind, because making natural recipes is not just fun, it's self-care. So let's create this simple protective roll-on together and keep those pesky bugs away the natural way. Here's what you will need. From your recipe box, you'll need a 10 ml amber glass roll-on bottle, which is perfect for easy mess-free application. 2 drops of Beauty Within essential oil blend. This adds a touch of nourishment while helping to deter insects. 2 drops of cardamom essential oil, a warm, spicy oil that insects don't like. And 2 drops of Himalayan cedarwood essential oil. Naturally supports outdoor protection. And 10 ml of fractionated coconut oil. This is a lightweight carrier oil that helps blend and deliver the essential oils effectively. So let's mix it up. Remove the roller cap and add the Beauty Within, cardamom, and cedarwood essential oils directly into the bottle. Second, top off the bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Very important, replace the roller cap and swirl gently to mix everything together. Add a label so you always know what it is and it's ready to use. To use, roll onto pulse points like your wrists, neck, and ankles before heading outside. Reapply as needed for continued protection. And it smells amazing. It's warm, woodsy, and totally refreshing. This is definitely going to be in my bag for every hike and picnic. And those of you that know me know I love to hike. See how simple that was? No chemicals, no fuss, just a natural way to enjoy the outdoors without the bugs. And if I can make this Forest Guardian roll-on, you can too.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with hashtag I made this, tagging From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
And if you love easy natural DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box for more recipes just like this. Want more DIY magic? Stick around and check out the next videos. Thank you for watching.